Is this the first time you go to podcast?
Podcast? Yeah, it's my first time.
In Korea, there's no podcast.
Podcast, not really many, but only the broadcasting, not the personally not like this, but yeah.
So the in Korea, podcast is not popular.
Not popular, but yeah.
You know, in Indonesia, podcast is very popular.
Really? Oh, I first time know that. Yeah.
If we have a trouble, we go to podcast.
Wow, discussion about some issues here.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Wow.
It's like news in television, but we chit chat here and we record every day.
Every day.
You know, my podcast is almost every day.
Wow. It's a very, very nice kind of small talk, not very in the broadcasting. We have to very severely think and talking. And
we just chit chat like a friend.
Yeah, it's much better. Yeah, I think.
you can do podcast in Korea.
Yeah,
maybe you are pioneer.
Okay, I will take this format to Korea.
So